laser cap is also known as low-level laser therapy. It is also known as photobiomodulation therapy, which can be used at home. It is an FDA-approved treatment. And the most important thing is, everybody, even after you are having good hair, you can take it. For both men and women who are experiencing thinning of the hair loss, and can reverse the hair loss. It helps in regrowth of the hair, in thickening of the hair. It makes the hair little volumized over a period of time. It is a convenient way to have a hair therapy at home itself. So this is the laser cap, and it needs charging. It can be charged from any adapter, or adapter is actually given with this cap. Why do I recommend this laser cap from 𝐷𝐄𝐲 is because it has got 272 diode lasers, and it uses monochromatic red light with calibrated wavelength and intensity, which stimulates the hair follicle by speeding up the cell division. It also encourages follicle stem cells to make new strands. So this is how it reverses the hair fall or hair loss, as well as it also helps in regrowing new hair. It has to be used at least twice or thrice a week for 10 to 15 minutes, and it has to be used over months, like at least 3 to 6 months. You'll start finding the visible results after 3 to 4 months, and it is very convenient for the patient. They don't have to go for the clinical trial. They don't have to visit the doctor even now and then. And the most important thing is, everybody, even after you are having good hair, you can take it, and while using any work you can use it. At the same time, it is cost effective.